Welcome to our channel. In today's video, we'll explore the world of sustainable rustic wood decor and uncover profitable projects perfect for modern homes. With the rising demand for eco-friendly and unique decor, we'll showcase creative ideas that blend charm and functionality. From stunning furniture pieces to eye-catching accents, you'll learn how to turn reclaimed wood into beautiful, marketable items. Join us as we dive into techniques, sourcing sustainable materials, and tips for selling your creations. Let's get started on crafting a greener and more stylish home. In recent years, the demand for sustainable and eco-friendly decor has surged, with consumers increasingly seeking products that not only enhance their living spaces, but also align with their values. Rustic wood decor, characterized by its natural beauty and artisanal charm, has emerged as a favorite among homeowners looking to create inviting and warm environments. This trend is not just about aesthetics. It represents a lifestyle choice that prioritizes sustainability and craftsmanship. One of the most appealing aspects of rustic wood projects is their potential for profitability. With the rise of DIY culture and online marketplaces, individuals can turn their passion for woodworking into a lucrative business. Crafting unique, handmade items not only provides an avenue for income, but also allows artisans to share their creativity and craftsmanship with a broader audience. In this guide, we will explore a variety of sustainable rustic wood projects that are not only beautiful, but also marketable. From rustic furniture pieces to decorative accents, each project will be designed with a modern homeowner in mind, ensuring they resonate with current decor trends while promoting eco-friendly practices. We'll delve into the importance of sourcing sustainable materials, such as reclaimed wood, which reduces waste and minimizes environmental impact. By choosing to work with responsibly harvested or salvaged wood, artisans contribute to a healthier planet while creating stunning decor items that tell a story. Additionally, we will highlight techniques and tips for transforming raw wood into functional and artistic pieces. Whether you're a seasoned woodworker or just starting, these projects will offer something for everyone, fostering creativity and inspiration along the way. The aim is to empower individuals to take on woodworking as a rewarding hobby or a full-fledged business endeavor. Finally, we will touch upon the satisfaction that comes from creating and selling sustainable decor. Not only does it provide a source of income, but it also allows you to engage with your local community and contribute positively to the environment. By choosing to create with intention, you can make a meaningful impact while pursuing your passion for woodworking. In conclusion, sustainable rustic wood decor projects present a unique opportunity to marry creativity with entrepreneurship. By embracing eco-friendly practices and focusing on quality craftsmanship, you can create beautiful items that resonate with today's conscious consumers. Join us as we explore exciting project ideas that not only enhance modern homes, but also promote a sustainable future.